Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution, SNAr, requires activation of the aromatic ring by strong electron withdrawing groups, EWG, ortho-para to the leaving group. Without such activation, aryl halides are essentially unreactive toward nucleophilic substitution under normal conditions. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate. The starting material is 4-chlorotoluene, 1-methyl-4-chlorobenzene. The leaving group is Cl attached directly to the aromatic ring. Moving on to the next step. Assess reactivity toward nucleophilic aromatic substitution. For SNAr to occur, the ring must bear strong electron withdrawing groups, example, No2, CF3, ortho or para to the leaving group to stabilize the Mesenheimer complex intermediate. The methyl group, CH3, at the para position is an electron-donating group, not an electron-withdrawing group. And for the final step, since the methyl group donates electron density into the ring, it destabilizes the Mesenheimer complex rather than stabilizing it. There is no EWG to activate the ring for nucleophilic attack by JEE. Benzene mechanism requires very harsh conditions, strong base, very high temperature, and is not applicable here under normal Nash conditions. JEE is not a radical reagent, so radical substitution is not operative here either. SN to substitution on an sp2 carbon of an arene is geometrically impossible under normal conditions. Conclusion: Nash cannot displace Cl from 4-chlorotoluene because there are no activating electron withdrawing groups on the ring. The reaction does not proceed. Why other options fail? A. Would require replacement of ring Cl, which not possible without activation. C. Would require substitution at the benzylic CH3. Nash is not typically used for benzylic substitution and the methyl group here is directly on the ring, no benzylic CH to Cl present. D. Would require replacement of ring Cl which on an unactivated ring, not feasible. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.